Hello everyone, this is Jared's Aviation HD here. I am at Coffs Harbour Regional Airport. I'm just going to do some filming of what the airport is like. This is the arrivals package here. Oh, by the way, the reason why I'm here is because we've got a plane coming. We have got a Virgin Australia Embraer E190 VH-ZPK coming. We've got VH-ZPK coming here. And it's due to arrive here very shortly. That's the arrivals area and the carousel there. That's what it is. That's the arrivals area there. So yeah, it's a nice area. And over here is the airport view of where the airport is. So what's going to happen is Virgin's going to come down that way. It's going to come down there. That's where it will be going from. So yeah, cannot wait to get this plane. Really excited, Alex. So this is the airport view there. This is what it is, the arrivals area. And that's the departures over there. They've blocked it up with some stuff there. I'm going to take a few photos now, guys, so thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, I'm going to give a shout out to Brisbane Aviation HD. Go subscribe to his channel. He does excellent aviation videos up in Brisbane. He is one of my friends. And I'm also giving a shout out to Alex's Aviation, who is also at the airport with me doing plane spotting. Subscribe to his channel too. We really appreciate it. And I'm going to give a shout out to Steve Havilland. He does awesome videos on FSX and stuff, which is great. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up the video now. Wrap up the video. See you when it comes. I'm going to take a few photos. Hey guys, this is Jared's Aviation HD. Here comes Virgin Australia Embraer E190 VH-ZPK from Sydney. Here it comes. Here it comes, here it comes. Alright, here she comes on the ground. She's on the ground at Coffs Harbour Airport. Here is VH-ZPK. Look how good she is.
Signals. He's telling the quick coming straight.
Right, this is Virgin Australia Embraer E190. This one is Aussie Rob and this one is VH-ZPK.
So tell me slow and then stop.
It's not going to get out of the plane.
And watch him have a stop. Ready, look slow and well done.
And she's on the ground.
And then I'll take this up in a minute when the engine will cut and then they'll come out.
And then one day we're going to go and tumbling down a bunch of planes.
Look, see, putting the chocks under the wheel so it can't move.
Oh, going in the plane!
She's on the ground. It's come from Sydney. It's going to prepare for its flight journey return.
There's all sorts of people on there.
I'm going to stop now because I'm going to take a few photos now. So stay in touch, guys. I'm going to go. Sorry. Thanks for watching. Alright, hey guys, it's Jared's Aviation HD. Third Australian Embraer 190 VH-ZPK is about to leave Coffs Harbour, which is bound for Sydney as velocity 1164. If you can hear it, it is absolutely loud. There's General Electric CF34 engines. Just the last change and touches. And off they go. Well, they're also doing, they're adjusting that to make sure it's alright. QantasLink is coming in now. It's VH-QOV. Alright, so the reason my Virgin's not moving because it's got to wait for QantasLink. Oh, there it is. There's the Q400. That one is QantasLink Bombardier Dash Q400 VH-QOV. Here it goes. I'm gonna go outside because I'm gonna go and watch it take off. It's gonna depart on runway 3. Now I'm going to go over to the area now. Here it comes. And off she goes, off to Sydney. And off she goes off to Sydney as flight velocity there's flight velocity 1164. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video now. Thank you all for watching this amazing video. Hope you do like it. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my aviation channel and comment on the video if you like it. Whew, I can still hear it, it's bloody loud. It's General Electric engines. Guys, I'm going to wrap up this video now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and comment on the video. Thanks for watching everyone. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.